How to use Google Earth Flight Simulator. So if you want to use the Google Earth Flight Simulator, then what you need to do is just open up your Google Earth at first. And after that, you need to zoom in on the Earth map to find your location to start. So for example, I'll be choosing a location and just zoom in. And once you've chosen a location, you need to go with the tools option, which is here on the upper left. And under tools, you can go with ruler if you have your ruler option, or here you will have the ruler option. Just click on ruler or measure distance option. Once you go with that, now you just need to simply click points on the map to measure the distance and area. So for example, I'll be choosing the level. You can simply click to select the starting point and then drag it to this one. Or you can go with the another distance or another location. So in this way, you'll be able to know the location measurement. After that, you can go with done and then go with save to project. And you can save that to your drive or your local KML file. You can also go with more settings and then you can adjust your more settings. But that's how you can use your Google Earth application or your flight simulator. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.